When your dog can reliably touch the clear plastic tubing without using their mouth, now it's time to shorten the tubing so we can start to wean off. I'm using a platform to stabilize this guy because otherwise he wiggles all over, and I want him focusing on his job of interacting with the tubing as opposed to traveling around the room. So once I have him happily touching the tube, now I want to ask for 2 furs before I reward. Oh, sorry, I got stuck on one. Nice, so that one was a good effort. Did you see it actually wiggled? And while he's working, I want to change my angle. Again, it's just a trick to help generalize the skill faster. Nice, good. And I'm going to go for a 2-fer. Yes, he knocked it off. That means he's starting to use some decent pressure and force now. Back to a singleton just to keep him motivated. I'll do a 2-fer. That one I'm not so happy with. That one was more a target than a nice.